Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So in this video, I'll share few things which I started noticing about myself, which were completely different within me. It did not even exist, but I saw it exist in every other human being. So those were different things, which I'll be sharing. And so the first thing which I noticed, that everybody can be bribed. I did not see anyone in my life who would say no to money for doing wrong things or applying shortcuts. So when there were some sort of jobs which were offered to people, while applying some sort of shortcut, they opted for that. I have seen people who used to do wrong things just to earn money. That was different cases and different scenarios. And when I started working, then I was offered so many shortcuts, but as my definition was clear that I will never apply shortcuts, will never go for shortcuts no matter what. Yes, I do have dreams, goals and desires, but that doesn't mean that I will apply shortcut. It will never happen in my life. So the more I was denying going for shortcuts, more and more it was offered to me. And there were some stupid people. So when you say no to them, that I am not interested in this particular work profile, whatever they were offering me, so what they used to do, they used to call me again with money, increased money, that if they have offered me right now 2 lakh rupees, then they'll say we'll offer 4 lakh rupees. It was like just one of example. There were so many shortcuts which were offered to me. So my definition was clear that I will never apply for shortcuts, and people can never bribe me. I do not do wrong things, neither for money nor for anything. But free money has been important for me. I know the value of money. I understand the importance of money in a human life. So, and money has been a biggest support in my life. But my thing was clear that I want to earn money on my own. I do not want to take it from anyone, neither from family nor from anyone else, to fulfill my dreams, goals, desires, or to achieve anything in my life. I also needed money so that the more I can earn, the more I will be able to help animals and kids and other sort of people, especially taking care of the mother nature. This was again clear. I wanted to earn money so that I can help lot more people when it comes about animals and humans. So that was the reason that I wanted to make I wanted to earn a lot of money. But as this definition was clear that I would never apply shortcuts, even though if I have to give up on my goals, I am ready to give up on my goals if there is no proper or right way to achieve my goal wherein the money was needed. I was clear within myself, I will give up on that goal if there is no proper way to achieve that goal, but I will never apply shortcut. So because I have seen all age group ruled by money, so I have never been ruled by money, but my definition thought process has been clear that money brings freedom and complete independence. I have been I've not been dependent on anyone. I live a complete independent lifestyle. I don't have to ask for anything from anyone, and that goes to, it is all because of money. So money has power, but different people have different thought process. I have never seen anyone in my life I can say that this person cannot be bribed. So I've seen even young age people and old age people that they can be bribed, even with a smallest amount of money. I'm not talking about the heavy amount of money. So this was one thing. Another thing I noticed, that I do not have ego, but I saw people getting their ego gets triggered even for small things. So for me it was like I don't have ego, but my definition of self-respect is extremely clear. First of all, I do not disturb anyone, I do not bother anyone, and if you do disrespect to me, then I will make sure that I insult you, that too in a way, that too at a place where there has to be a lot of people, and you won't be able to say anything to me, or you will not be even able to fight back with me. So there is no tolerance for disrespect. Now what people expect, that I'm talking about wrong people, they disrespect you, they wronged you, and then they expect you should not say anything, you should be tolerate for those things. So this has been clear within me. I will never tolerate BS from anyone. So I will also not spare those people who disrespect. So this was also clear that I do not have ego in another thing. When divine has already shown me my destined future, destined career, which is a different level wherein a lot of people wants to reach but cannot. So I had a question: do people have ego or become egoistic when they achieve a lot of money or success or name, fame? So I had this question since my childhood. Then I have seen a huge success in my professional career. I've been a company head. I am a known face in my industry. So there I realized, no, I don't have ego, wherein I have been the supportive, a leader for the staff which used to work for me. So I realized, no, it is not. It is just that people have it probably since their childhood. Or I also realized one thing: not everybody can handle success or name, fame, or money. So I knew that I don't have ego. Another thing I saw, that I don't have jealousy. So I've seen people getting jealous of physical beauty, their name, fame, money, status, or even when you are living a peaceful life. So I realized, no, I don't have such thing. And why I do not have? Because I see jealousy in everybody. So this was a question wherein by that time when I noticed this thing, I was already in divine communication. So I was questioning, should I really have this thing? Because I see it in everybody. Though this is a negative thing, it should not have. But then what to do with this? And but when I see somebody having success in their career, or looking gorgeous, handsome, I go ahead and appreciate them. I feel happy from inside. This was a problematic thing for other people. Why do you appreciate their beauty or their success wherein they are jealous and I'm happy? So I knew that I don't have jealousy. Rather, I'm always happy when people are succeeding in their life or having happy relationships. So this was a thing which was clear to me. Another thing, I am not at all attracted towards celebrity, or I'm not ruled by name, fame, money, status, or physical beauty. So it doesn't matter for me. My definitions with dealing with humans has been completely different. It is only based on kindness and good karma, definitely several other things, but it has never been and I also do not give extra importance to somebody who has name, fame, money, status, or anything extra which other people do not have. So I have been clear about it. This was again thing. And another thing I noticed, that neither I have feelings for anyone, nor I am attracted towards any other human being. Like if I talk about opposite gender, wherein I have never seen a rejection in my life when it comes about getting offers from other people, if I talk about relationship. But it was a question that I do not feel for anyone. I am even not attracted towards anyone, wherein I see at least people have attraction towards opposite gender, but I did not have that. And it was such a big question for me. Is there something wrong within me that I do not feel anything for anyone, and I'm even not attracted towards anyone? So my thought process and decision was clear. If I do not have feelings for anyone, I will never come in any relationship, and I will also not get married. Because again, there are a lot of things which I have to share on this particular topics. I'll share it in another video. So this was really a concern, that I don't feel for anyone, or also I'm not attracted towards any human being, especially about masculines. And but the different thing was that I am so much attracted towards nature, animals, and especially glass items. That time I did not hear about crystals. It was all glass items which we use at our home. I used to be like I'm attracted towards those glasses. I don't know why, but then I just want to stay there and want to look at this all the time. And I always want to stay with animals, but I do not want to stay with humans. It was so clear within me. So this was a concern, that why I do not have those attraction towards humans. It was a question. And then I had a discussion with Divine later on. So these were things which I started noticing in my life since my childhood. When it comes about ego, I saw all age groups, especially there were several people who used to visit my family, I would say, who were some sort of saint type people, and they used to hold some sort of wisdom and power. But then they had ego, if you do not agree with their point, they will start arguing with you, and they will do anything to accept what they are telling you, because they want you to or they want to prove themselves. Wherein I had one thing in me, that if I'm telling you something, you want to agree it is your choice. You want to disagree, it is your choice. I will not ask you to believe on this twice. It is your choice. I will not force anyone. So but I have seen, like, when you do not agree with these people, even who are, like, known as spiritual practitioners or some sort of saint people, so their ego gets triggered, and I was seeing like it doesn't have within me, and why it is not there. So these were things which were making me different. And I have been getting a celebrity, attention, and I always had a problem with attention. I am not at all attention seeker, wherein I tried myself hiding from people, so that nobody looks at me, nobody dares to talk to me, because it was a problem for me. Everybody has been focused, and still and will always remain focused. Now it is because of the energy. So I have been doing several things so that I can hide myself from other people's eyes. But I have seen people doing shit to have attention from anyone or from public. So attention has been such a question. Why do people do all those things? And I am not like that. So these were several things which I noticed about myself, and I kept on questioning, why am I so different from others? And also I wanted to stay alone maximum time, and I was like, several times my mother used to question, why does she stays alone, wherein other kids are staying together and she doesn't want to talk to anyone. So this has been a constant reminder, you should not stay alone, you cannot stay alone, wherein staying alone was something like experiencing a heavenly peace within me. So this was a question. So these things, apart from talking to spirits, talking to divine, and experiencing lot many things on spiritual level, I would say, these were things which made me different than humans. So if I say that humans do not have those powers which I have, and but I saw there are things which are different, like I don't have ego, jealousy, and I'm not ruled by money or not ruled by name, fame, status. So I was questioning. So these were concerns for me. Later on I had all these answers, and I also had to make some sort of changes and decisions in my life. I'll share all those things with you guys. Again, why am I sharing all these things with you? Because it is all connected to twin flame journey. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.